Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Music.
It's a boy T1.
Me make it bounce pon the left, bounce pon the right. Two of them together, man, I watch me all night. Don't pon the ground, me make it bounce, what a sight.
Bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up, bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up, bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up. Watch how she a go on, my girl, make your come up. Bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up, bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up, bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up. Slow wine, then she gone down pon the ground so.
DJ patunugin mo. Tonight ikaw ang reyna ng sayaw. Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawi. Hakbang mo'y diretso, walang alinlangan. Sa bawat galaw mo, bagsak ang dahilan. Kumpas ng musika, hawak mo ang sandali. Isang tingin mo lang, ako'y bumibigay din. Wala nang salitang kailangan pa. Sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sa ilaw at dilim. Ikaw ang ritmo ng damdamin. Hawak mo ang beat, dito sa pista. Ikaw ang dahilan, bakit sumisigla. All the ladies on the dance floor, come do the step that keeps them wanting more. All you gotta do is shake it to keep the guys going wild. Sigue y tempo, sigue y tempo, y tempo more all around. Sigue y tempo, sigue y tempo, y tempo more to the ground. It's very simple.